Hey y'all, it's Dawn with Just Out and About, and I am out here tonight at the island at Pigeon Forge, and I'm going to go in and try the SkyFly Soar America. It's a newer attraction here at the island. Been looking forward to trying this. I guess we could pretty much possibly, we're thinking, compare it to soaring, if you've ever been to soaring at Epcot at Walt Disney World. But they have added this year, so we are going to give it a try. So while we do that, you guys be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All right, let's head in and see how this ride is. It is basically right here at the Sky Wheel, and Old Smoky Moonshine's right here. Give you an idea of where it is located. Apparently, these are some of the places we're going to visit. The Everglades, Alaska, Grand Canyon, Maui, Hawaii, Bristol Motor Speedway. I've actually been there before. That racetrack's not too far from home. Mount Rushmore. We've got Yellowstone.
The raccoon that's been snacking on the electrical wiring in the main frame.
Randolph? What sort of fellow would I be if I were to evict my best friend?
The sort of fellow who wishes to keep his airship aloft.
Right. Yes, I'd best go speak with Randolph straight away.
Then, Papa, what's the good news?
Oh! I've finally finished building my custom voice recognition system for our flight command center.
Looking up, I'm in somewhere to turn.
Oh, no,
into your flight attire and head into the cockpit now.
Funnily enough, originally this was supposed to be an elevator. It's not. Oh, yeah.
Congratulations for having arrived at the launch platform. I realize it was not an easy task to do so, and it appears we've lost only a few of the travelers this time.
Yeah, I told you it sounded like someone struck off and went for the time portal again.
Did you make certain to have them sign a waiver this time?
Yes, I did.
Oh, great. Well, then we're all set. Sisters are engaged. Well, two of them are. The other one is going to be single for life.
All right. Landing gear good to go?
Landing gear good to go.
Papa, what was that?
Dan, that's nothing. You can skip ahead to the landing. Landing gear is so overrated, especially on an airship.
guys, so I finished my ride here on the SkyFly Island at Pigeon Forge. Great experience. It basically is a lot of, you know, like soaring at Epcot if you've ever been there. You do get a little few places with the water, like at Niagara Falls or whatever, that you get some mist. So great experience. We do recommend it. It was a lot of fun. And let me make note, I did get approval and permission to video on the inside during the ride. So that was pretty cool. So we would be able to share that with you. But it's definitely a great attraction to try here at the island if you're visiting here. I'm thinking as far as the cost per ticket was like $22, but anyway, thanks to SkyFly for having us on the ride and for allowing us to video and share it with you guys. But thanks for joining us, and we will see you guys on the next one. Bye!